parents, we are really excited to share with you the parent portal of Echo. So shortly you will be receiving a username and password for Echo. If you still have yours saved from last year, it has remained the same, but if you have forgotten it, or if you are new to our school, we will be getting your username and password to you. So you will go to rogerbell.echo-ntn.org and you will log in with the email address that we have set as your username. You will log in with your password. And then, if you have more than one child here at Roger Bell, you'll choose the child that you wish to observe. But if you only have one child, of course, you will choose your child. And then you will see all of the classes in which your child is enrolled for. So if you click on the Family Time class, then there you will see the daily agenda for your child. And if he or she did not do any of the assignments last week, their assignments will show up here as past due. If your child completes any of these assignments that are listed as past due, they do need to send their teacher an email because as of 3 o'clock on Friday, these assignments have been marked as not completed and they have received a 0. So it's very important that they email us. Starting this week forward, all of the assignments will be listed in each of the classrooms. So if you go to ELA and click Activities, you will see the weekly agenda for ELA and then, of course, the to-do list for ELA. You can see that this child has 2 past due assignments, but then for this week, there are assignments that are due today, tomorrow, all the way through Friday. So this is a very easy way for you to keep track of what your child has done and hasn't done. Also, if you click the Home button, you can also see a master to-do list. This is a combination of all of your child's assignments that he or she was assigned since school has begun. If it is showing up on the to-do list, that means that your child has completed the assignment, but it was returned back to him or her to make corrections, or the assignment wasn't done. Sometimes an assignment may have feedback given, and if it does, you will see that in the activity stream. So if something shows up in the activity stream, then you can click there on the assignment and you can see the grade that your child was given, but you can also see that within the activity stream. So this child received 2 out of 2 points on their scavenger hunt assignment. Last but not least, I would like to show you the calendar. And the calendar shows all of the assignments for each day that your child will need to complete. It's also color-coded so that you can tell which assignments go with which subject. So your ELA is purple, your science is teal, and your math is orange. So as you can see, you click through, you can see all those colors, except for the students who are Craven Live. All of Craven Live's assignments show up as yellow. All right, guys, I believe that kind of covers, in a nutshell, the Parent Observer app for Echo. If you need login information for Echo, please message your teacher, your child's teacher, if you have not received it by the end of the week. Thank you so much for all that you do. We could not do virtual learning without you.